If you guys already know about the DeepSeek R1 model, which is the popular AI chatbot right now, you should also know the Qwen 2.5 Max model, which is also free and it's totally a beast AI. You can use it for free. So they are showing that Qwen 2.5 Max is better than the DeepSeek version 3 option and also the Llama and GPT-4. So this Qwen 2.5 is also from China and it's from Alibaba. So if you want to use this, just go to Google and search for Qwen.ai and you will get this QwenLM.ai, which is their official website. So just click on this. After that, you need to log in with your account. So just click on log and click on continue to Google and it will log in with your account. And if you come to this chatbot here, you can see I've already chosen the Qwen 2.5 Max model here, which is the best and the most powerful language model in this series. And as you can see, this can do many things like artifacts, web search, image generation, and video generation. So I'm very curious about the video generation and I have already created a video with this. If I just go to this chat here and you can see I just put a simple make a video of a boy playing video game on a laptop and it just create me this video, which is pretty awesome and cool. The quality is high quality and HD, as you can see. As this is now unlimited and free, you can create lot of video with this. That's why it will take long time to create one video. So I have created this video and it took me like 15 minutes to create just one 5-second video. And you can also choose the aspect ratio. So I have chosen the 16:9, as you can see, and there's lots of ratio here. And if I go to the image generation option, so the image generation is now blocked now. So I have to go to the new chat again and go to the image generation option. And as you can see, these are all the images that are created from Qwen 2.5 chat. So if I just choose the aspect ratio and choose this aspect ratio and just create a simple image of a cat, playing in grass, and just click on send message and it will start to create my image here. As you can see, the image generation is more faster than the video generation. It will just take a couple of seconds. As you can see, my prompt was just a simple and this image is pretty amazing. As you can see, quality is the high quality here, and also there's a regenerate option if you don't like it, and there's the download option. So these are the two options that you can use in Qwen 2.5 Max, which is now free and unlimited. And also there's a web search option. You can directly search from this chatbot to search in the web, and there's the artifacts option. Just click on the artifacts. We're going to create a code or something like that. So it will just create any HTML or CSS page for you. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. Create me a normal sign up page. And if I just click send message, and it will start to write the code for me, as you can see. And there is no HTML, CSS or JavaScript content found because it start to writing. And after that, it will render in the right side. So as you can see, it's now writing the code. Now it is just finishing writing the code for me for a simple normal login page or sign up page. And as you can see, it has rendered the web page for me, which will look like this, as this is the code and this is the simple normal sign up page. So this is a pretty cool and amazing feature you can use in Qwen 2.5 Max, which is now unlimited and free. I'm pretty excited with the video generation option. It takes some time, but you can use this for free right now, which is pretty good for a free option. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.